In today's video, we're gonna talk about the Muss wall that I bought for my wife and how we can use custom prompts to extract the information from the invoice I got for that Muss wall. So really interesting stuff. Also, we will embed that custom prompt in a Power App, and then we can use that Power App inside of Dynamics for our model-driven app. So we head on over to Copilot Studio. We go to the Agents section. We pick Copilot in Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Here we will add a new action to this agent. So we go ahead and press Add. We pick a prompt. Let's pick an action name. We can call it Document Extractor. Use this action to extract information from documents. We hit next again here. And now we are getting to the really juicy stuff. So we can tell it here to extract information from this document. And here we can press add to add an input. And here you see a new option, which is image or document in preview. And it will say this option activates GPT-4o. Okay. We can give the parameter a name. We can call document. And let's upload a document for trying. We will use my Muss wall document here. Add input. Also, I will tell it to mask personal information. Like this. Now we can try this out, pressing test prompt. And you see, here is the extracted information with personal details masked. And as you see, it actually didn't reveal my name, my address, my email, my phone. Thankfully for me. But it showed the information that is open. And now we can go ahead and save our custom prompt since we feel it's really good. And let's review this once again. It looked very good. We hit next again. Unfortunately, I was not able to test this because it's a feature that has not yet come out. But we can go ahead and publish this. Okay, awesome. So the thing is, I actually tried to test this custom action from within the test studio and even from within Dynamics, but unfortunately I was unable to do this. I will actually show you what I mean. So when I went here to Open Analytics, so I was unable to actually get the response when I added a document. So let's try here again. Even if I can add it directly here, and in that case I believe I don't even get a response. No. I can also let it know to describe a document. And then it will fire this plugin that we created, or custom prompt. But when I attach the document here, I will get the error message. Yeah, that's a tricky situation. So I guess no video for us. No, I'm joking. So I found a workaround for this, where we instead can use a PowerApps app or a Power Automate flow to actually call this custom prompt and get the information that we want to have. So let's go do that. Back in PowerApps Studio, we have created a new custom page, and I've added an attachment control which we'll use to attach the documents that we're gonna extract the information from. If you want to know how to add the attachment control to your custom page, I suggest you check out Shane Young's video here for that. Also, I have added it to the comments below. So the first thing we're gonna do is to add the data source, that is the document extractor that we created before. We do that by pressing data, add the data, and search for the name of our custom prompt. Our name was document extractor. Here it is. We add that as a source. Awesome. Next thing, I'm gonna add a button. This will trigger the actual custom prompt that we built for actually extracting the information from the document. And then we'll also add a text field. Here we will just show the result from the document extraction. And on the button, we're going to go to onSelect, and here we will paste this little thing. So we are creating a variable called result.doc. We are calling our predict function where we pass in the attachment file into this, and the output of this will be the extracted document text. Like this. And in the text part here, we are gonna say result.doc.text. So let's just save it quickly. And now let's run this and try it out. I will attach a document. It's the same one as before. And we press the button to execute the document text extraction. Here it is. They extract information with personal details masked. And you see the company information is shown, invoice details are shown, but my customer information is masked, luckily for me. So this worked as expected, and we can now go ahead and add it into our model-driven app. Let's go. Back in the Custom Service Hub app, I have added the custom page onto the screen, and you can easily see a scenario where, for example, a customer has emailed us and had some complaint regarding their invoice or something, and you want to extract the document information to be able to copy and paste things. So it would be something like this, where you would add the document, you would execute, here you got the response, and you could copy and paste some information from here. And obviously this is a bit ugly app that I just built quickly. You'd make this much prettier and make sure to have the responsive layout and all these things that comes along with building a custom page. So we really went through the entire process here today, from building a custom prompt inside of Copilot Studio to setting up a custom page or Canvas app inside of PowerApps Studio, and from there calling the custom prompt, and all the way to embedding this Canvas app inside of a model-driven app and showing what it can look like for the user. I hope you really feel that you learned something new today, and talk to you next time. Bye bye.